I need everybody to get up out of that seat and make some noise.